I'm a professional YouTuber and builder in the game of Roblox, specifically Bloxburg. I am so excited to share with you this Roblox Bloxburg course because you can get so creative in Bloxburg and Roblox. I love it. And I bet you will too. I chose to create this course for you because there's so many awesome games on Roblox that you can just explore everything. And especially, you can just use your creativity to the max. I play games like Tycoons, Obbies, simulation games. Speaking of simulation games, my favorite one is Bloxburg. Bloxburg is a world where you can create houses and all kinds of things. We will be diving in really deep into it in this course. I've been building for a while now in Bloxburg, and in this course, I'm going to be showing you some basic tips and tricks on getting started in Bloxburg, how to make money in Bloxburg, how to spend your money on building in Bloxburg, and how to build things in Bloxburg. Are you ready? Cool. Let's get started.